Morning everyone. My name is B. Omcharantech. I am from CS series section. Today my topic is structures and functions. Subject name Introduction to Programming. Introduction to C language structures. Structures in C are used defined data types that allow grouping of variables of different types. They enable the organization of complex data in a more manageable way. Structures help in modeling real-world entities more effectively. Defining a structure. A structure is defined using the struct keyword followed by the structure name and its members. Members can be of different data types, including arrays and their structures. The syntax is straightforward and follows for easy expansion with new members. Accessing structures members. Members of a structure can be accessed using the dot operator for structure variables. For pointers to structure, the arrow operator is less than used for member access. Understanding member access is crucial for manipulating structure data effectively. Example of structure declaration. A simple structure can be declared to represent a point in 2D space with x and y coordinates. The declaration might look like struct point into x into y. The structure can be used in various functions to perform operations on points. Introduction to functions in C. Functions are blocks of code that perform specific tasks and can be reused throughout a program. They help in breaking down complex problems into smaller, manageable parts. Functions can take parameters and return values to the calling code. Functions declaration and definition. A function must be declared before it can be used in C, specifying its return type and parameters. Function definitions include the actual code that is executed when the function is called. Proper declaration and definition ensure that the compiler knows how to handle function calls. A function must be declared before it can be used in C, specifying its return type and parameters. Function definitions include the actual code. Passing structures to functions. Structures can be passed to functions by value or by reference for efficiency. Passing by value creates a copy of the structure, while passing by reference uses a pointer to the original structure. The method chosen affects memory uses and performance of the program. Passing by value creates a copy of the structure, while passing by reference uses a pointer to the original structure. Returning structures from functions. Functions can also return structures, allowing for more complex data manipulation. When returning a structure, it is returned by value, which means a copy is created. This feature can be particularly useful in functions that need to provide multiple values. When returning a structure, it is returned by value, which means a copy is created. Example of functions with structures. An example function could calculate the distance between 2 points represented as structures. The function would take 2 point structures as parameters and return a float value representing the distance. This demonstrates how structures and functions work together to solve problems. The function would take 2 point structures as parameters and return a float value representing the distance. Summary of structures and functions. Structures provide a way to group related data, while functions encapsulate code for REES. Together they form a powerful toolset in C programming for managing complex data and operations. Mastering both concepts is essential for effective software development in C. Together they form a powerful toolset in C programming for managing complex data and operations. Feel free to customize any of the content or add within. Enhance the presentation. Thank you. Thank you for given opportunity.